What's going on, everyone? It's Emar, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for anyone in Nigeria looking to get into trading, finding the absolute best Forex brokers out there. Listen, I know how tough it can be when you're first starting out, sifting through all the options, trying to figure out who's legit and who's just trying to take your money. That's why I'm breaking down the top Forex brokers specifically for Nigerian traders. We're talking about things like ease of use, customer support, fees, and of course security. If you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines and start building your own financial future with Forex, then you absolutely need to stick around for this one. First up on our list is FXTM, and let me tell you, these guys are a popular choice for a reason. They've been around for a while and have built a solid reputation, especially when it comes to customer service. I know some of you might be new to Forex, and trust me, having a responsive and helpful support team can make all the difference when you have questions or need help with the platform. And speaking of the platform, FXTM's platform is super user-friendly, whether you're on your computer or using their mobile app. They offer a variety of account types to choose from, depending on your experience level and how much you're looking to invest. Plus, they've got some pretty competitive spreads, which means you keep more of your profits. Next, we've got Hot Forex, and these guys are all about giving you the tools you need to succeed in the markets. Seriously, they've got a crazy amount of trading tools and resources available, from advanced charting software to market analysis, and even one-on-one coaching sessions. Now, I know all those tools might seem overwhelming at first, especially if you're a beginner, but Hot Forex does a good job of providing educational materials to help you learn how to use them effectively. But here's the other thing that makes them stand out. Hot Forex consistently offers some of the tightest spreads in the industry, and when you're trading Forex, those small differences in spreads can add up to big savings over time. Alright, moving on to our third pick, it's OctaFX, and this is a broker that really prioritizes security and reliability. Look, I get it, when you're trusting a company with your hard-earned money, you want to know it's in safe hands. OctaFX is regulated by some of the strictest financial authorities in the world, so you can trade with peace of mind knowing your funds are protected. But it's not just about security with these guys, they also offer lightning-fast execution speeds. Coming in at number 4, we've got Alpari. Now, Alpari has been around for over 2 decades, so they've seen it all when it comes to the Forex market. But what really sets them apart, especially if you're just starting out, is their commitment to education. They've got a ton of free educational resources available, from webinars and seminars to ebooks and video tutorials, all designed to help you learn the ins and outs of Forex trading. They even have a demo account so you can practice trading with virtual money before you risk any of your own capital. Trust me, taking the time to learn the ropes before you jump in head first can save you a lot of money and headaches down the road. Alright, last but not least, we've got Exness. Now, Exness is a great all-around broker, but where they really shine is their mobile app. Let's be real, in today's fast-paced world, we're all about convenience. With the Exness mobile app, you can manage your trades, analyze the markets, and even get customer support all from your phone. It's super intuitive and easy to use, even if you've never traded Forex before. Plus, Exness offers some of the most advanced trading features out there, like social trading, which lets you copy the trades of experienced investors, and VPS hosting, which ensures your trades are executed as quickly as possible. So there you have it, guys, my top picks for the best Forex brokers for Nigerian traders in 2024. Remember, finding the right broker can make all the difference in your trading journey, so take your time, do your research, and choose the one that best fits your needs and goals. And hey, if you want to learn even more about these brokers or any other aspect of Forex trading, I've got a ton of resources linked in the description below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm constantly putting out new content to help you guys make smarter financial decisions and build real wealth. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.